Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to Positive Channel. So I just want to tell you guys that I finally did my hiccups. So you're gonna see the video by Wednesday because wasn't gonna film it yet, but then my hiccups decided to come. So I'm going to make y'all watch me hiccuping. So I know you guys really wanted this video, and I finally did it. So now that is like out of the way now. So you guys get to hear me hiccuping, okay? Because I know you guys really want to hear me hiccuping. So now it's finally here, okay? Bye.